Hello, my wonderful people. My name is Ebony Daniel. So, my topic today now, not because of somebody go put yourself for trouble. Not because of any mouth go place yourself where you're not supposed to place yourself. Excuse me. Why they talk this thing? We say many of us today, would they look Mr. A, would they look Mr. B, they do something. If you dey pass anything today, no think say that thing go dey permanent for your life. Because anything when we dey pass through this for our life, it good say me we take and dey learn. So I dey always use myself as an example. Some people, because of the position when they dey today, because things go wrong today, but it not mean say so you go just dey forever. The only thing when you need to do, this advice now just small advice. The only thing when you go do, put yourself together, try your best, put the remaining one for God's hand. Go dey perfect. Not look whether people call you name or people begin don dey laugh you. When everybody don dey laugh, this one they laugh, say you know they try. My brothers and my sister, make una not look that side though. Because you go even bad, say people when they laugh you even better pass them for far. They want draw your attention, go back so that you can't be like them, but you don't go no. But if you be person when not they lose hope, you will they see and say you better pass them for far. You better pass them far. So don't let people mad carry you go back. Do what you sabi do. When you begin to do am, you will find yourself where you're not supposed to find yourself. God will do the remaining one for you. Why they talk this thing? Many people this life say, when you don't pass, they will want to make them draw you back. Mostly when you be say, you get temptation for life, get with your enemy, they pass through. Every time when you're there with them, every time when they see you, anytime when they be say you there in their midst, and that thing they never sabi, they don't even get some more. They would like to bring you that. They like to take that thing, they talk the topic, they use and laugh you left and right. They beat you from left, go right, from right, go left, so that make you fall for the temptation when the devil they plan. But one thing for life, anything when you be, thank God. Anything when you be, make you thank God, because you better pass many, but you not go know, because you get what you they pass through. You not go feel no. So I tell you today, anything when you they pass through, things not just they happen to somebody. It they happen for purpose. It get what thing not they correct for your life. God want correct and something go happen. When the thing don't happen, because people don't they laugh you can't say God not there. You can't say God don't abandon you. You not be abandoned project. So you need to carry on. You need to learn anything that bring you back, anything that bring you down. You need to learn from it. Anything that happened to you, you need to learn from it. If you don't learn from it, that means say that person are fool forever. You need to learn anything when they happen to you. Things not just they carry, they happen to somebody. Maybe God want make you strong. God want make you be the position when the purpose when he make you there on this earth. You not go know. Maybe you too day somehow for where you first day. You not go know. Because me, I looking for my life. Say something not just the carry, they happen to somebody. God know the reason. If anything happen to you, not to say it don't finish for life. It never finish. Now the beginning we just did. The only two things when you go pray for, make you not die, make you not sick. As far as say you not die, you still dey live, and you not get any sickness. My brother, Adelante, continue your life. No matter how they laugh, no matter how they do, but do that when you know how to do. No spoil people. No get evil heart against people when God creates. This one when they do evil, make them do. Then as you dey do your own with clean heart, they go, they follow your lay. They go, they throw anything, they fit do anything, but God go, they fight your fight. You don't go know. You don't go know. God go, they fight your own for you. You go, they fight and they go. You go, they think say for your own, say, wait, how come all this thing they work out? Because one, you get clean heart, and secondly, you dey mind waiting, you dey do waiting you know how to do. You no plan of bringing people down. You no plan to destroy anything when God create. So, don't let people mad bring you back. Don't let wetin happen to you bring you back. Don't let them weigh you down. You can't be waiting you're not supposed to be for life. When something go happen to some people, I don't say it's not still easy. It's not easy, but we need this life, no, this health, nothing easy. Everything just wahala, trouble. That's why they say, many people, they say this life not balanced. For real, it not balanced. If anything happen to you, get up again. He said it doesn't matter how many times a man fall. What it matter be say how he get up, how many times he get up, how he take get up. Now it matter. When you get up, continue again. When you fall down, you get up, continue again. Our God not sleep. God too love us. He really love those people when be say, you know, they destroy what he create. You know, they see the happiness of others, they make you destroy them. You know, they see others' children make you destroy the children when be say you get your own children. Somebody now say, give me water, you go give her poison. Somebody now will tell you, say, make you give her bread, you go give her snake, you go give her evil thing. You don't use evil thing plan. Why God no go stand by you day and night? So my brothers and sisters, don't let anything when people they talk. Even though you not they do anything, you just they must still talk. So don't let anything when they talk bring you back. Don't let them waiting people they talk come out you for your track. Anything when you know say you sabi do well, do and pray, put God go finish the remaining one for you. Now what thing I get for you be this, my lovely people. Have a good day and a wonderful week. Bye.